When you think about politics from a 5D perspective versus a 3D perspective, 3D perspective is we're all fighting for our cause. We all have our energies pushed towards what we believe to be correct, or we're pushing against what we believe to be wrong. Those who rise to a 5D perspective, rather than challenging anybody's story, we just allow every story to be told and to be understood. And every single person who comes and talks about their stories, we hear them. We integrate them all together. Like we become a unified consciousness because we're all thinking from this 5D perspective. And when we put our energies in that direction, wow, how far will we go? The spiritual quest.